Keep it going. Keep it going. Get a little bit of a head start on him. What he's got a screw reverser, so he's got to wind it all the way back to all the way forward. That's what takes some time.
That's spinning.
No, that's just the noise of it. That's just what it sounds like. Rock on!